eel. Wait up. Kidding me? Pop quiz. Yeah, right.
Oh, there he is up there. There's his big boy.
Wait. Okay, I see this.
Big boy.
Is that Mr. Krabs I see? Would you like some having the money?
Don't touch it.
Where's SpongeBob? Where's SpongeBob when you need him? That's Mr. Krabs' uncle. No, matter of fact, that's his brother. Huh?
Sea plants.
Sea plants?
Look at
Oh,
that.
yeah. Is that where Mimo lives?
Yes.
Wait, Maggie.
Mimo! Where are you?
Oh, I see the blackfish. You barely see the blackfish. Sure.
Oh, yeah, I can see them. It's kind of hard to see. Well, kind of difficult to see.
I see. Oh, I see a fish on the ground.
Oh,
You see that?
I see.
See the dark fish?
That's awesome.
Dude, you got it in my ears.
Weirdo.
You're the one who's weird.
Hey, wait. Who's that guy from Mimo? Who is that guy from Mimo? This is a great YouTube vlog. And Miss Goodsell.
Guys, pop quiz. Are lionfish venomous or poisonous? Pop quiz. Are lionfish venomous or poisonous?
Pop quiz. Look at it. Lionfish has 18 venomous spines.
Yeah, that's seahorses.
Here, seahorses. Hey guys, what up?
Oh, look at all the jellyfish on the ground. That's so funny. They're sitting on the bottom.
That's a real life jellyfish? How does it breathe? How did it
They
live?
don't really have lungs or brains. So.
They have life in them?
Yes, they're alive.
I thought it was just a thing.
They don't have spleens or spine. I don't think they even have brains.
Wait, there's no
Wait. What are you guys doing?
You're allowed to put your hand in this, but they told me no.
Huh?
You can't. You're literally doctors.
Are those shrimps?
You can put your hand in it.
I'm good.
See?
I'm good. Do they bite? Jeez. Oh, jeez. Oh, jeez.
Like when they're alive.
Oh my god. I don't think I should. I'm too scared. I can't. I have a sleeve on. So I don't want to get them wet.
Glad to see you're alive in the picture.
Oh, this is a lot better. I got so my hands wet. Where's Mimo? I found Dory again. There's Dory. Huh?
Want pet scenery?
What is this?
Right here.
What?
He's a sick fish.
There's nothing in
There's nothing in there.
Actually, if you look hard enough, you can see these things.
Oh, Danny. Okay. You okay?
Baby jelly?
Baby jellies. Hold on. Dory, how see you? Wait. Move over. Move over.
Get it, guys.
Move over.
Yeah, sorry.
Get it, guys.
Make room. Make room. Say make room.
Hey, yo. Hey,
A
yo.
group of sharks is called a shiver. So we have a
A
shiver.
shiver.
Yep.
Oh god. We're in.
Nice.
I like the sharks.
Oh my
It's
god.
relaxing.
A real life sharks.
Yeah. Guess what type of sharks these are?
What?
Tiger.
Well, shiver me timbers.
Yep. You can pay
Am I right?
$50 per person to go swimming
Wait.
for a
Look at the other side. That's the dining room.
Yeah.
How much?
You can.
$50 for a
How
day.
much?
50.
$50.
50
Because
bucks.
with the sharks?
Yep.
I want to do this. I'll go back and...
You just gotta set it up online though.
It's an online if you guys want to scam.
See, look at this big guy. Woo! I like the sharks. Alright. I got my...
This is a YouTube video.
Let's go.
Very cool.
This is my YouTube vlog. Is that the shark from Nemo? Yeah. You gotta be kidding me. Now shut up. Oh, arcade? You serious? Out of... How did that happen?
They don't have stingers.
And like I said, I had... Oh my god! Stop for the safety of birds.
There's tokens that you have to buy.
Hey Dallas. Hey Dallas.
Oh my god, look at that.
Oh my god. Hey Dallas, guess what? Cocomelon.
Oh, why are there fish standing near me?
Oh! I felt this fin! I felt its fin! Hey guys, let me touch him, let me touch him. I want to touch him. Can you bring him over here?
If I had tokens.
Yeah, those birds. I've never seen a bird before. Hey buddy! Oh my god. I felt a live action! Oh my god. Oh shoot. I almost got it in my sleeve.
What? It feels weird.
I touched it. I touched it. Here it comes. Oh my god. It's so cute. Oh my god. Hi there, little guy.